taught me I'm okay. I'm okay. And if you think I'm wrong or not, someone is what I want me. I'm okay. I'm okay. Good. Who are you to just be like say you be holy past? I did love my life, get my peace of mind, did I try to survive? We all be seen as my body, no, but the only part. And my happiness come first, and never come left to stress.